Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to today's health talk. It's your girl, Nurse Precious, and today we are going to be talking about an important topic, which is being often ignored or misunderstood, and that is how to take care of your vulva. So whether you're here to learn more about proper hygiene or how to prevent yourself from or how to protect yourself from infection, or you just love your body a little more, then this video is for you. And don't worry, we are going to keep it real, respectful, and empowering. And I promise you that by the end of this video, you're going to learn a lot of things that will keep you inspired. So do not go anywhere. Stay put and watch this video till the end. And I promise you, your time will worth it. So drop a heart on the comment section if you ever felt unsure about intimate care, or if you were never really taught how to take care of your vulva properly. Also note that this is a safe, respectful space. So let's support each other, ask questions, and then learn together. So first of all, let's clear up a common confusion that is the vulva is the external part of the female genitals, which include the outer lips, which is known as labia majora, the inner lips, which is known as labia minora, the clitoris, the urethral opening, and the vaginal opening. The vagina, on the other hand, is the internal canal. So when we say vulva care, what we actually mean is taking care of the outside parts. And yes, it matters just as much as brushing your teeth or washing your face. So, and also, let's remove shame from this topic. Yes, vulvas are normal. Discharge is normal. Hair is normal. So taking care of your body doesn't mean hiding it. It means understanding and respecting it. Yes, so you really don't need anything fancy. Just warm water and a clean hand or soft cloth. So if you use a soap, it should be mild. Even if you are to use a soap, it should be mild, fragrance free, and then pH balance. So avoid scented wipes, bubble baths, or anything that will disrupt the natural pH and then lead to infection or irritation. So your vulva doesn't need to smell like flowers. It has its own natural sweet scent, and that is okay. Yeah, so you don't need to add anything artificial. You don't need anything you don't need scented products. You don't need to add those things to make it smell nice. It has its own natural smell. Remember that adding those things, you are disrupting the pH balance, which might cause you more harm than good. Not even it will cause you more harm than good, thereby disrupting the pH balance and then causing you irritation and then infection. So we'll talk about underwear, clothing, and then breathability. What you wear matters for your vulvar health. So stick with cotton underwears. It's breathable, it absorbs moisture, and it also helps reduce the risk of yeast infection. So avoid tight synthetic panties or leggings for too long. Why? Because they attract heat and moisture. So they trap heat and moisture, which bacteria loves. So change underwear daily. Wash your underwears with mild fragrance and fragrance-free detergent. So the next thing we are going to talk about is after using the bathroom. Yeah, so let's talk about wiping. It sounds basic, but so many people get infection from this. So many people get infection from this, from this simple mistake. So always wipe from front to back, from the vulva towards your anus. Wiping the wrong way spreads bacteria from your anus to your urethra and your vagina, leading to UTIs or bacterial infections. So it's very, very important that we learn how to do what? How to wipe or how to clean up ourselves after bathroom. As a woman, it is very, very important and is very, very necessary for your vulvar health. So having talked about that, we talk about period care and menstrual hygiene. Yes, during your period, your vulva needs extra little love and care. Yes. So change your pad or your taboons at least every 4 to 6 hours. Avoid scented pad or taboons. You know, clean your reusables products, your reusables like your panties, hair. So clean them regularly and then properly. Wash your hands before and after changing your pad. And don't forget to also give yourself comfort, whether it's using a warm water therapy, or whether it's wearing a breathable period underwear, or just slowing down. Just try to slow down your pace. You know how to, try and give yourself a little comfort, and then try to. The next thing we are going to talk about is shaving and hair removal. This is optional though, because it's not everybody that loves shaving their hair. So let's talk about pubic hair. First of all, it's normal, it's healthy, and it protects your vulva. But if you prefer to shave or to trim your hair, then do it safely. So how do you safely trim or shave your hair? By number one, use a clean, sharp razor or shaving beak. Number two, shave in the direction of your hair, of the hair growth. Number three is with the use of warm water and then unscented gel. And number four is moisturize that place after shaving. Always try to make that place to be, try to moisturize that place after shaving. And number five is that you should try to avoid shaving daily. Ingrown hairs and irritations are common. So don't be ashamed. Give your skin time to heal and consider switching to trimming, or consider switching to trimming instead if you find irritations, or if you find hair growth in your pubic area irritating. You can switch to trimming instead, because the ingrown hair, and irritation, they are common. It's not something to be ashamed of. So the next one is nutrition and internal health. There is this popular adage that said, you are what you eat. Yes, and your vulva is no exceptional. So eat more probiotics, and probiotics, they support the healthy bacteria. And also try to drink more water, because hydration is staying hydration helps for natural lubrication. And another thing, try taking more of vitamins and minerals, because vitamins and minerals, they help for your skin and tissue health. They help your skin and your tissue health. So limit excess sugar. It feed yeast, and then it triggers infection. So avoid anything alcohol. Not that you will not take, but avoid excess sugar rather. Avoid anything sugar, because excess sugar feeds the yeast. It feeds yeast, and also it triggers infection. So that is that for your for nutrition and then internal health. The next thing we are going to talk about is your sexual health and UTIs. So use condom or dental dams. Number 2, get regular STI screening. STI simply means sexual transmitted infection. So get regular STI screening. Number 3, urinate shortly after meeting your partner to prevent UTIs. Yes, and another thing, communicate with your partners about hygiene and protection. So you don't. So never be afraid to advocate for your health. Your body deserves respect. Your body deserves a little respect. It is your body, so you deserve to respect that body. Don't be ashamed. Don't. When to see a doctor. Please, if you notice any of the following, please don't ignore. Number 1 is burning or itching. Number 2 is strong fishy odor. Number 3 is if you notice unusual discharge, or maybe you experience pain while urinating or during sex, or maybe you notice there is a new bump or sore, please see a doctor. Talk to a doctor. Don't self-diagnose yourself. A gynecologist can help you feel better, and there is no shame in asking. There is no shame in asking. So your vulva is not something to be hidden or something to be ashamed of. No, it's part of your body, and it deserves a little love and care. So the more we talk openly about it, the healthier and more empowered we all become. Because our vulva is not something to be hidden. It's not something you should be ashamed of. It's not something you shouldn't be proud of. It is part of your body. You just see it as when you're taking care of your hair, or let's just say that when you're washing your clothes, or when you're making your skin glow. It is also part of your skin. It's also part of your body. So don't be ashamed to speak up. Don't be ashamed to seek for help whenever you notice any kind of impending danger or any. So that is that. You don't need to be ashamed of your vulva. It is part of you. It is part of your body. There is nothing to be ashamed of. So always speak up whenever you notice any kind of changes on it. Speak up, seek for help, and you definitely get help. So if you learn something today, if you know that you learned something today, please drop a comment on the comment section and tag a friend who might need to hear this. And please don't forget to like this video, share the video, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of this real health talk. So thank you for watching till this moment. Thank you for if you are a returning viewer, thank you for returning. I appreciate and I love all of you. Stay kind to your body, and then see you in my next video. Ciao.